All right, beautiful people, we're back. Malachi has to wash out this hair mask, but I'm just make it more easier for him to go ahead and wash his hair. I am not gonna record him washing his hair this time because we have already like 3 or 4 hair wash videos. So I'm not recording him washing his hair today. So I'm just gonna help him detangle a little bit to make sure. That way all he'll have to do is just in condition. And then I'll let him wash it out. Okay, pull this tight. Okay, turn him around this way. Yep, guys. So now you can see really good. And today we're going to be using whole blends, coconut oil, and cocoa butter smoothing conditioner. It said this one is paraben free and phosphate free as well. So this is what we're going to use today to condition the hair good. And we got the color wrapped up on the hair, so I had to get the hair out. Okay. Now something to fit up. This smells really good, and it also, this conditioner here actually conditions the hair really well. The last time we used I think it was the Moroccan flavor to this one of the whole blend. He is gonna have some shed in a minute when I'm brushing it out because I have not been doing hair masks on his hair for the breakage, and then too I have been putting a lot of heat in his hair lately for us to do videos. So he will have some shed, and he need a trimming. Hair definitely needs to be trimmed, so he is gonna have some shed in a minute when I get ready to brush it out. But it'll all come together. Because he need to get it trimmed as well, like I just said. All right, guys. I normally put something on the brush. I'm gonna attempt to brush it this time. Go ahead and brush it without wrapping up the brush. But yes, me detangling it and going ahead to brush through it some for him definitely will make it much easier when we're done. That it will be tangle free. So it's time for me to buy another brush too. This brush here is a very good brush, and I really like this brush. again, he will have some shed. I already know it because his hair needs to be trimmed and cut as well. Yeah, but these products, guys, definitely works. I'm telling you, they work really good, natural. And when you have this hair again, you have to maintain it. That's the thing about it. It takes some maintenance sometimes too. And then when your hair is not thin, Malachi hair is very thick. So that's on top of it too. It's not just like his hair is long and thin. It's no thin hair. His hair is very thick. Tell you, she need to get done with all this stern and nonsense. Yeah. Yeah. So I had to break it down in sections a little bit. And I'm gonna allow him to wash it himself. So but guys, this is some of the products you definitely can use to get your hair more manageable and to get it to grow. I'm telling you, without breakage. Yep. Okay, turn around. Turn your body all the way around so I can get you this side. And guys, if you see the back of his hair, as you got, ooh, see, I got it dripping now, but let's see. Oops. It's all the product and the water, guys. I about got it too wet, but this is how I need it to help him manage it. To manage it. Look. See? And this brush is a very good detangling brush. Look at this. See? And look at it. See, guys? This brush, look at it. Look how it helps to detangle. Very good. I love this brush. Yep. So now you guys actually see how long his hair really is. And this is in the curly. It used to be all the way down to the butt, all the way to the waist, but it's almost there again. It's getting back there. Turn. This way so I can do this side. It's almost getting back to there. Maybe in another 4 months if he keep it. But it needs to be trimmed though, like I said. And he does have some shed, guys. I told you that he was gonna have shed because he needs his hair trimmed and cut. It needs to be trimmed and cut. So this is the shed that came from it. this. Definitely detangling it now before you wash it definitely helps. So, okay. This side is detangled. And this is what it looks like on the side. Okay, turn around on the other side. And then we'll be done with that side as well. We will be done. Yes, yes, yes. We will be done. A little bit more. This is how I detangle. Go ahead and detangle it. And then that way, it'll just be free. Go ahead up. This is a very good conditioner, guys. I'm gonna repeat it again. Very good conditioner. Okay. And this is how I know his hair has grown, because the front now, look at this. I have to pull it back for y'all to see it all the way to the camera. The front is catching up with the back. Before, the front of his hair was not as long as the back. And so look at what this conditioner is doing to it. Yes, yes, guys. So this is it, guys. See what this conditioner do? This conditioner here, baby, ain't nothing but the truth for his hair. I don't know about nobody else's hair and other people's, how it works for other people's. That's why we try different products that we all see us, other YouTubers and other hair tutorials that other people do. Some of them may work good for our hair, because each one of us, just because you got curly hair or whatnot, some is different grades of curly hair and the different textures. So what worked for your hair may not work for his hair, and what worked for his hair may not work for your hair. But this whole blends, baby, this whole blends conditioner, baby, it is helping, along with that hair mask that I just done. It help maintain and free these frizz edges and all this frizz and stuff. Look at this. Look, I would have a time before brushing this hair, and I can actually brush it without putting something on the grip of it, of the brush, baby. And look how defined it got his curls. Oh my God. Yep, I'm very impressed with this product, with this whole blends. I'm loving their product for his hair. So you guys, if you never tried whole blends and you got curly hair, you might want to try it. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Y'all see what it looked like. And get up close now, okay? Do it up close and personal. See y'all, baby, baby. Look at that. All right, guys, go ahead.